Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so we're going to jump straight into it. I am doing a wig install on my best friend who clearly has nice, thick, medium size, and medium length locks. I will be drinking plenty of coconut water during this process. If I don't, call me out on it because I need to hydrate myself. Okay, so as you can see, she has beautiful locks. I'm going to hydrate her hair with a leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in will loosen up her hair because it's a wet leave-in conditioner, so it'll stretch her hair. So right now, I'm going to go with her natural middle part and braid her hair in like gangsters. I don't know if that's what y'all call them where y'all from, but I'm from Baltimore and we call them gangsters. So I'm going to braid them down, but going to the back kind of like cornrows. And as you can see, I'm just braiding them down all the way to the end. And at the very end, I'm going to add a rubber band. I'm just going to repeat this same exact thing on the other side, as you can see. And make sure you grab all the little hairs and all the new growth. Just get it good. Braid it down, flat and secure. Okay, so I'm finishing up here, and as you can see, she has about 6 cornrows going back, and they're hanging. So, in order to make sure that she doesn't have like this big ass bulk in the back, we're gonna stitch them together and go with her head. So we're gonna wrap around because her head is circular. So we're gonna just wrap around and keep it nice, flat, and secure. Make sure you squeeze each lock in between the parts, because if you lay it on top, that's going to create another layer of bulkiness, and we don't want no bulkiness. As flat as possible. Damn, this one is tough. I should have probably did like 2 braids in the middle right here, but you know, we gonna make it work. So I'm squeezing it, push it, you know, stitch it. We gonna work smarter, not harder. Just fit it in there. Look. Nice flat little beehive type situation going on. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Got To Be to slick down those baby hairs. Oops, I put too much. Jesus. All right. And like with the Got To Be, I'm kind of like defining her middle part too. So I'm making sure that I am splitting it down the middle. So when we apply this flawless closure wig, that her part is very defined. pop that wig on. This is just like a little tester. I just need to see how the lace lays on her skin. I'm checking for if I need to pluck more, if I need to even customize the lace. I am using an HD 5x5 lace closure for her closure wig, but sometimes you still need to add a little pigment into that lace. So right now I'm just checking to see how the wig fits. How does she feel in it? If the lace needs any more pigment and just all that. Just giving her a little sneak peek, you know? Okay, so we're definitely gonna customize this lace. It's a little on the lighter side. She has a lot more red and yellow in her undertone, so I guess that's orange. So I'm gonna take the wig off and then we're gonna do it again. And I'm actually gonna let her take the wig off because I don't want to snatch her edges or anything. See, look, you see, it's a little light. Yes, so I customized her lace. If you guys would like a video of how I customized her lace, just let me know. And you actually see me like putting her wig back on, and you might see a cap underneath. I did not show me customizing a cap, but if you would like to see that, I'll definitely show you. I actually ended up taking off her cap at the end of the install because I didn't like how it looked up under the part. So I decided not to add that part on this video, but if you guys would like to see how I customize the cap to wear under your closure wigs, I'll definitely show you. So just leave a comment down below. You know, y'all know how this works. Stop playing. Okay, so you guys see how now the lace just like blends in with her skin. You could barely tell it's there unless you look near her temples. I'm really trying to show you guys. See, I keep moving her around. Like, I need like a camera on my forehead, I swear. Yes, look at this. Scalpiana. Buzz down, Scalpiana. All right, so we're going to isolate those baby hairs, slick the rest of that wig back, and then do those edges. Yes. Don't forget your trusty hot comb. If you all want a tutorial on how I do my baby hairs, just let me know. Comment below, you know. Give me some suggestions. Talk to me. Let me know what you want so I could give you what you want. As you can see, I'm using the eyebrow razor once again to make jagged baby hairs. No one baby hairs is a straight line, so don't do that, guys. Don't cut nobody's baby hairs in a straight line. Ooh, look. Look at that swoop. Yes. She said she like it. She was like, whatever, girl. Whatever you do. She trusts me. I try to mimic how she does her natural baby hairs. I see her a lot, so I'm kind of in the loop of how she slay herself. So I'm really trying to mimic that because the point of fake is to appear real. Look, yes. Look how that's nice and flat. This is Diana Ross vibes. Ooh, those hair company. Whoop, whoop, shout out to them. That's definitely my company, guys. I'll leave the website down below so you all could shop, browse, look around, And we now offer payment plans with Sezzle. Is it Sezzle or Sizzle? Whatever. Y'all know. I'm securing those baby hairs, tying that wrap strip around nice and tight. Make sure you tell them put their head down so you're not breaking your back to tie it. Here comes the finishing touches. She wants to wear it nice, wet, and sleek and a more relaxed look. Me personally, I would have wore it straight in the bush like that because I am Kashay the rock star and I love wild, crazy hair, but society won't let me live. Or maybe I won't let myself live. Yes, look how, look at that. Yes, silky. Okay, guys, we're all done here. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. Subscribe anyway because you guys are my friends now. We are friends, okay? You guys are my internet friends. Y'all my rock stars. We're going to rock out together. So just comment. Let me know what you guys think down below. Subscribe, like, all that good jazz. Love you. Mwah.